So check this out, we have a 2020 Street Glide in, and what's really cool about this bike is this has a factory lowered frame, and it was installed by one of the local dealers. The actual frame is about 1 inch lower than the original frame, and it comes down, and you can see here where the side covers are totally different than a regular 2020 FLH touring bike. It lowers the bike quite a bit. However, based off this seat and the way it sits, you don't really feel a lot lower. If you took our standard Streamline seat and put it on any FLH, it's actually almost the same height right out of the gate, which is really cool. Now, if you take one and lower it a little bit more, you'll have even more stability and more flat foot on the ground. So now this customer went through all this, lowered the rear section of the bike, got this seat on here, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this factory seat off because it really does not help, and we're gonna make a new seat that's gonna be a lot lower and also look a lot cooler. This one here kind of looks a little long in the front and just doesn't proportion properly. Our seat will proportion properly, so please like, share, follow us on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, all the social media outlets, and watch us to follow up on this bike. Hopefully you'll like it.